Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
Go to the student record and click on the current IEP. Click on the blue Amendment tab. Click on the Add Amendment button. Complete the amendment page. Select the amendment purpose, interim placement, and complete the remaining fields on the amendment page. Answer yes to the question, does this amendment require additional forms? Scroll to the bottom of the list of forms. Click on the pencil to edit the interim placement form. Amend the services with a start date of the student enrollment date and an end date in 30 days. Click the orange Save button. Click the green Return to Amendment button. Click the green Affirm button. Populate the plan effective start date as the second day of enrollment. Affirm the amendment with parent signature marked NA.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.